to proceed to here outside. So this one, I'll the olive oil, and then I'll put the what's that? The fire into medium, and then now it's ready now to get ready for this. Oh, look at that. It's kind of baby sa neighbor. Okay. So we just wait until 1 minute and 30 seconds until they change the color into brown, and then we adjust it here into medium. Yeah, this is a medium, so it's light.